Alright guys, Josh here from Brotherhood Outdoors. What's the date?
September 24th here. Getting ready to go out for
September 24th.
our opening of Ohio Archery.
Opening day of Ohio Archery. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Rolled in last night, went up and put some bait out. Got everything set up, all our camera arms. So, hopefully it's a good morning. We'll get back to you guys when we start seeing deer. It's opening morning up here in Ohio. Archery. Just cracking daylight. Got a field up there. Couple bait piles. So we'll see what happens. I'll get back to you.
So let's run down on what just happened here. Joshua, what time was it? What time was it? What time is it now?
7:38.
Okay, so it was about 7:28, 5-ish. Anyways, Joshua had 3 doe come up by him, and got right by him, smelled him, took off. Then he had another one come by him, probably 25 minutes later, 30 minutes later. Came up by him, he shot the thing, And then I'm like, and then all I heard was a thud, because we're only like 60, 70 yards apart. I heard a thud, I heard something run off, and then I saw deer running up behind me. Okay. Here. So I hear this deer running up behind me, and then I look back, and it's just taking his good old time walking on down the trail. I didn't think anything of it. I just thought, oh, you know, he shot one, and then another one came running up by. And then I shot it, and then it takes off running just down over this way and piles up. And so then turns out, he calls me, we shot the same deer. It's not as, I mean, it's funny, but it's not funny. It's kind of funny. He hit a little bit far back, and so that's probably why it didn't act like it was hit too bad. And then it came through, and then I just sent one through it too, because I didn't know it was a hit. But anyways, blood trail I shot it just back here a little bit, and this is where we started finding blood. Was right in through here, some good splatters of it. And then I found my arrow lane right here, and then that's where we went. So, ran on down the trail here. Some blood here and there. Yeah, that's hilarious, Joshua. Anyways, so she ran about 30 yards probably from where I shot it, and about
60 yards.
60, 70 yards from where he shot it the first time. There she is. She's probably a 2.5-year-old maybe.
Which way was it
Maybe.
facing when you shot? Is that your entry?
It was facing head on, so I shot right in front of the shoulder. So that's where I put it. And it was facing towards him, and I think that, you know, that's where his arrow hit.
That's not my entry, it's my exit.
Here's exit. Let's see here. There's your entry. Wait. Oh, now I'm confused.
Wait, no. Is that your exit?
Okay, so we figured out what had happened here. He shot this deer in the front shoulder, and it was quartering 2. And then it came out. Well, yeah, here. Let's turn it over. Came out right there in the gut. I shot when I saw it, I shot it in the front shoulder, and it came out in the same spot on the other side. So basically, we both took the same shot in terms of placement. We both got the same exit. So I guess Joshua got himself another deer.
No.
Anyways, we'll get her cleaned up here, and then we'll get.
Okay, guys. So to conclude the hunt that we had this weekend here with Joshua and myself from Brother Outdoors, we got to come up here and hunt at my grandparents for a weekend of opening archery. Sadly, Joshua has to go home today, but he was able to tag 2 deer while he was here, so it was a pretty good weekend, I think. This doe apparently had come in straight back behind him, and what these deer normally do is there's a bedding on the far side of an alfalfa field that's across from where he was set up, and then there's another bedding area back behind us over here to the east. And the deer either come from the east or the west most of the time, and they'll just kind of cross up past this ridge. So it's either they come from his side, come up right behind him, or they come from this side, you know, and then they'll just filter down past him. So deer came up behind him, came in close, he got a shot, and before that he had 3 other doe come in, and you know, kind of winded, and they got right up under the stand, right downwind, so nothing we could really do about that. But got a deer down, and it was a pretty successful weekend, I'd say. Yeah, it was pretty good. So thanks for watching, you guys. We really appreciate all the support you guys show. Trying to get this thing up and running, trying to do the best we can with video and whatnot. So always remember, you know, Brother Outdoors, once a sportsman, always a sportsman. Thanks for watching.